Hello, my dear students. So, students, we are continuing with lesson 9. Madam rides the bus of first flight, and it's a story about an 8-year-old girl who's having a great desire to ride the bus, and finally she got a chance. She just got in on the bus now, and now see what happens. Her first journey, what careful, painstaking, elaborate plan she had to make for it. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like. And finally, she had saved a total of 60 paise. So, for her first journey, Wali had done a very careful planning, painstaking mean with great care. She elaborate detail. She made detailed plans with great care, and she had thriftily saved whatever. She spent money with great care, with very carefully, and saved coins which she got, resisting her temptation, and she controlled. She just stopped her every temptation mean greed to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like. And finally she had saved a total of 60, and finally she got success in saving 60 paise. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair, what she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round, even though she had the money. So it was really difficult for her to save this money, especially that day when the village fair was there. And she had resolutely stifled in control. She suppressed her strong desire to go to the merry-go-round, even she was having money. After she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. Now, one problem is solved, that money she gathered it, she collected money. But the next problem was how to leave the house, how to go out of the house without the knowledge of her mother. Then But she managed this without too much difficulty. But she also managed this without any difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would nap from about 1 to 4 or so. Wali always used these hours for her excursion. And Wali's mother, she was used to have a sleep every day after lunch from about 1 to 4. And Wali always used these hours, and she was always used to use these hours for her excursion, for her outing, as she stood looking from the doorway of the house, or sometimes even ventured out into the village. Today, these same hours could be used for her first excursion outside the village. Now, Wali, she was used to use those hours in her for her outing, for her excursion, as she was used to stand on the doorway looking outside of the house, and sometimes even ventured mean went cautiously, courageously. She also used to go into the village. But today she was using these hours, this time 1 to 4, when her mother was sleeping, for her first excursion outside the village. She is just going for outing outside the village. Now the bus rolled on, now cutting across a weird landscape, now rushing through a tiny hamlet or past an odd wayside shop. The bus is its own way now, as it was moving, cutting across the bare landscape, moving through the bare landscape, now rushing through tiny hamlet mean village, and past an odd wayside shop, passing the shops and all. Sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them, or a pedestrian crossing the road. So because Wali, she was traveling the bus very first time, so it was seeming to her, sometimes the bus seemed, it was seeming to her that the bus is going to gobble, eat up the another vehicle or the pedestrian, those who were crossing the roads, or the vehicle those who were coming towards them. But lo, it's an expression of surprise. But for her surprise, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles safely behind. But the bus it was passing, or those vehicles, they were also passing very smoothly, leaving all the obstacles, problems behind. Now trees came running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them and simply stood there helpless for a moment by the side of the road before rushing away in the other direction. Now trees, they were also seeming her to come towards them, towards the bus, but when she reached near them, she finds them standing still and then moving in the opposite direction. Suddenly, Vali clapped her hands with glee, gleaming delight, happiness, you can say. Suddenly, Vali started clapping her hands in delight. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. That she found that a young cow, a baby cow, it was running with tail high in the air on the road in front of the bus. The bus slowed to a crawl and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. Now the bus slowed to a crawl, I mean the speed of the bus it was slowed, and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. But the more he honked, but as much he was honking, he was giving the horn, the more frightened animal, it was frightening that animal, that cow, and became, and the faster it galloped, and it was becoming more frightening and running very fast, always right in front of the bus, quite right in front of the bus. And Vali, she found it very funny, she was laughing at that. That's all for today, rest we'll do later.